Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to make a gradient animation in Line 2D. And when this our sprite is moving, the line animation is following the sprite. First, go to the Line 2D. Under the Fill tab, there is a gradient. We click on it and add new gradient. So there's a point in this gradient. We add a new point in the middle between these 2 points. And for this middle point, we can set any color you want. Alright, and the 2 point at the left and the right, you make it to white transparent. Okay, so if you look at the 2D here, the scene, so if we try to make a line, this is a gradient effect, and if we move this point, and you can see the animation is looking there. The color is moved from the left to the right. So just remove it and go back to our script. So now we have to animate this point in between another 2 points. So let's make another twin and call it line twin, red twin. Then we add one twin property to this. So we can add one value to this gradient point. The gradient point is a value between 0 and 1. So we can move back up here and declare new say gradient offset. Then is a float number. Then we'll go back to twin property, and this is self and gradient offset. And then the final value is 1.0, and duration, let's give it 1 second. Okay, then go back to our variable and we give it a set function, let's say value. And so in this set function, when the gradient offset change, this will automatically set the line to the gradient point. So we have line to the gradient, we get the gradient here, and we set the offset. So there is no auto complete. We can assign gradient to line to the gradient as gradient. So now we have the auto complete here. Okay, there's a set offset. So set offset, we take a point, integer, and an offset for the position of this point from 0 to 1. So this point is we can get from this array of points. So this is point 0, point 1, and point 2. So we need to set this point. So this is point 1. So we set point 1, and offset is the new value here. Alright, so this twin will manipulate the value from 0 to 1 with 1 second, and when this value is changing, the gradient will automatically set the offset of this point. So let's test our code. From here, click here, and we can see the gradient animation move very fast and only move once because the offset is now 1 and we never reset to 0. So go back to our code. So we can go here. After the twin complete, we can call a twin callback and write a function here, one line of lambda, and we set this to 0 again. So let's see. I'll click again. Now click here. So the line move here and it after the twin complete it move to 0 again. So which look like this. Right. So the now the line animation is not follow the sprite moving path. So we can set the speed and follow this our sprite moving speed. So go back here and we can see our sprite is moving from one coordinate to another coordinate in 0 1 second. So in our twin duration, we can change to the point, the position size times 0 0.1 second. And because this position and this position is the whole path of the sprite moving. So this is including the starting point. So we have to minus one. So the starting point doesn't come from the moving. So let's see our line gradient again. Is it follow the moving path? So from here, and the gradient moves slowly, and when the sprite reach a destination, it reset to 0, the offset. So now proceed. So we can hide the line after the our sprite is finish the animation. So here we can add one callback, also a lambda, and the line 2D hide. Then we show the line 2D here. Let's test this, and now I click here. The bar move according the line, and when it finish, the line disappear. It's still not perfect. So the line should disappear and when the offset is set to 1. So we can put the line to the height when when this line twin is finished, we reset the line offset to 0 and line to the height. So this one remove and should be okay now. Here, move, finish, click here. Okay, so this is the line gradient effect in A star 2D.